out there is the number 10 of Jeremy Subdy. Subdy in the number 10 machine. The number 69 of Dustin Miller. Miller in the number 69. Adam Kaliski in the number 19 machine. Joe Goodhagen in the 14G. And we got Riley Subdy in the 10R. Nathan Reapy. The Reaper is here in the 666 machine. And Caden Berkestran out there in the number 68. We should have 9 trucks ready to go. And all eyes to the flag stand. Drivers ready to go. They're buckled in. Helmets are strapped on tight. Tyler going to clean his shoes to get them dirty again. Here we go. Green flags out. Stick down, or maybe it just fell off. Well, the 10R is down. Well, no, the tire isn't off Johnson. It's off Miller. In the 69, Miller missing the right rear. Is going to be done in the 69. And a red flag is going to come out. Red flag. And number 7 machine of Spencer Johnson stuck on the north side of the arena here. Again, the assistance in getting these guys off the arena banking came along back a few years ago when derby cards were tough to get. In order to put on a longer show for you and give guys an opportunity to win the big money, we get them off the bank one time. A replacement of sorts for that number 7. Next time he goes on the bank, that's where he's going to stay. And we've got the 19 and the 168 hooked together. Rebecca Strand and the 168. The 19 of Kerliski. Right now, the other one we got down is the 69 of Miller. Oh, take that back to 10R. Riley Subney, he is down as well. Everybody else still going. Eyes to the head flag man, Tyler Miller. Here we go. Green flags out. We're going to keep the green flag out. Here we go. Kerliski is hung up. Give him a chance to get unhooked on his own. Jeremy Subney, that 10. Pretty much the entire box of that truck is inside the engine compartment of that 19. We may not get it unhooked. $50-50 draw tickets still go on around the grandstand. Make sure you grab yours. An opportunity for you to take home some cash here this afternoon. I'll make that drawing prior to our main event here this afternoon. Beer garden, concession stand open throughout the entire duration of the Demolition Derby. They may have to go home like this. Oh, there we go. All right. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 trucks are ready to go. The 7 of Johnson, the 22 of Johnson, the 10 of Subney, the 10R, the 19 of Kerliski, Rekas ran in the 168. Now the bumper comes off of Rekas 168. And Johnson takes advantage. Nose to nose, the 22 of the 168. I'll get that bumper out of the way. 168 is left. The 10R, a 10 is a 10A. And the 7 of Johnson, Spencer Johnson. Andrew Johnson of the 22, the 19 of Karoliski. There we go, green flag is out. Let's see if we can finish this one off here. Who's going to take home the hardware this afternoon? Trying to get that 168 machine rolling. Not necessarily hung up on the 10. He's got his tires facing toward each other. His truck is turned into a snowplow. Let's get him straightened out. Moving again. The help of Andrew Johnson in the 22. We're down to 4. Johnson, Caden Beckesbrand, Pencil Johnson, and the 19 of Adam Karoliski. Our 4 trucks remaining. Beckesbrand taking a hit by Karoliski. Here comes Karoliski again, lining them off. Here comes one. Oh, that's going to do it. Beckesbrand's going to say uncle. And now the wheels are turned the other way. We're down to 3. Here comes Karoliski. And Johnson trying to get that 22 machine rolling. Karoliski's going to line him up again. Oh, look out. He's going to go after Johnson now. Spencer Johnson in the 7 is out after that hit by the 19. And Karoliski telling Johnson he's got a dent in the front of his truck. When a red flag comes out, they're going to check that dent. We're down to 2. And pick your favorite. We'll see who brings home the hardware today. How many like to see Adam Karoliski win this one, the 19 machine? How many out there like to see Andrew Johnson in the 22? How many really don't care? You just want to see some smashing. All right, here we go. Green flag is out. Kind of a one-wheel wonder there, the 22. Broke that rear drivetrain, and that's probably going to do it. Stuck. Andrew, you gotta break your stick if you want him to quit hitting you. And they're gonna shake hands, talk about what's for dinner. Well, that's gonna do it, folks. The trucks are done.